Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 11. This is Section 1.6, Problem 11. We have 46 times 21. So this is a big enough problem that we really have to do it out. This isn't anything that anybody would memorize in a multiplication table. So start with the rightmost digit in the bottom row, which is the 1, and multiply it times the 6 and the 4. 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 4 is 4. Now the 1 is done. Now the 2 times 6 is 12. So the 2 from the 12, you don't put right under the 6. You have to kick it over one position. Some people fill that initial position of the second row with a 0. You can if you like, or you can just move over one position to the left. So again, 2 times 6 is 12. So the 2 from the 12 goes under that 4 that we had from before, and then the 1 gets carried to the next digit to the left in the top row of our multiplication. So now when you multiply 2 times 4, we have 8, and then you have to add the previous digit that was carried, which was a 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now that I've multiplied, I add the two rows together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6 again. Nothing plus 9 is 9. So the final answer is 966.